Ordering a car thinking it's going to be a smooth process, think again. Everyone hates dealerships because they are incredibly stressful. We thought ordering a car would be easier because we would have to interact less with dealer reps, but dealerships are playing games more than ever. We will talk about some of these games in this video, such as the $5,000 markup on the floor mats after waiting 3 months on that Jeep Wrangler. But first, let's talk about the information you need to help make an informed decision on which car to move forward with in this market. Now, before you move forward with an order, there are 2 pieces of information you need to help you decide what car to move forward with. The first thing you need to do is find out how long it takes from order to delivery. Some of these orders can take up to 1 year. Check out our blog entry in the description box below to find out wait times for each make and model. This will help you make an informed decision on which car to move forward with. In this market, the second key item is learning about build slots and how your negotiating power is tied to it. Some manufacturers, mainly European brands, we're talking about BMW, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, allocate a specific number of build slots for each model/trim to dealerships, while others, such as Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, have unlimited build slots. So obviously, when you have more build slots available, you have more negotiating power. So when it comes to European brands, the larger the dealership, the more build slots they have available. Because they move more volume, the manufacturer gives them more allocations. Higher trim models have less build slots than volume models. For example, we're talking about a BMW M Series versus a more mass-produced BMW 3 Series. Due to limited order slots, most European brand dealerships marks up their order slots up to $20,000 over MSRP. So to sum up this part, most European brands would play games at the time of order. Some would do it at the time of delivery and the time of order, while other brands would play games at the time of delivery with hidden fees and markups. So make sure you check out the dealer reviews before deciding which dealer to move forward with. So now you picked a car, what now? You can't just order a car through the manufacturer's website. This isn't Tesla. You still have to submit an order through an authorized dealership. This is when you negotiate for a dealer discount. There are a few key things you should ask your dealer rep at this time. When it comes to both leases and purchases, you want to ask, can anything be locked at the time of order? This includes MSRP, manufacturer incentives, rebates, and for leases, you may want to ask if they can lock residual value as well. If yes, you want to ask the dealer rep if you could select to move forward with better options should they be available the month you take delivery. For example, when I ordered my Jeep Wrangler at an MSRP of $69,500, the manufacturer actually increased the base MSRP for all Jeep models across the board. This occurred while my vehicle was being built. My window sticker at time of delivery actually reflected the price hike, which was $72,000, but my MSRP was protected. In most cases, manufacturers offer incentives or rebates at the time of delivery, not at the time of order, but it's still wise to ask. At this point, if you decide to move forward, the dealership may have you place an order deposit. In some cases, order deposits are non-refundable. Some dealers advertise non-refundable deposits in states that have laws stating that dealerships have to refund you if you back out of a deal. So make sure you are aware of this. So let's say you place your order, what now? At this point, it's just a waiting game. Make sure to ask your dealer how to track the progress of your vehicle. Once your vehicle arrives, the dealership will reach out to you to notify you that your vehicle has arrived. Dealerships require for you to pick up the vehicle within a specific number of days once it's been delivered by the manufacturer to the dealership. Now, if you do not pick up your vehicle, they may incur penalties or your agreed upon terms may no longer be valid. For example, if I did not sign the contract paperwork on my Jeep within 14 days of arrival, I would actually lose my MSRP price protection. That pretty much sums up the entire process. Each manufacturer has some minor variances, but since we work with a lot of brands, we have grown familiar with all of these things. Now let's discuss the many different ways dealerships took advantage of this process. As discussed with European brands, due to limited slot availability, they were asking for a market adjustment at time of order. For other brands that have unlimited orders, mainly American brands, we're talking about Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, Ford, dealerships knew that manufacturers prioritize customer orders. So dealerships would go on different forums, they would go on different marketplaces, they would offer insane discounts to attract lots of customers to place orders with them. Once customers were to take delivery, dealerships had various tactics to push consumers to back out of the deal. We're talking about marked up money factors. We're talking about hidden fees, price adjustments. But the question is, why would they do this? Because if you back out of a deal where you had a 10% off on a order, they can now take that as an in-stock inventory and actually sell it at a markup to unaware customers. So if you're tired of horrible experiences or just paying adjusted market prices, work with a buyer's agent such as Lease Companion. They work with larger and more reputable dealers that invest more time in customer satisfaction. If you've ordered a vehicle, please let us know of your experience in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please subscribe and give us a like, and also follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more content and tips in this automotive market.